And we're back. Sorry about that. We're experiencing some technical difficulties. So I was about to show you this handy little device. I bought this a little while ago, and yeah, it just fits right into your vise. These are magnetic. There's little magnetic pads inside here, and so yeah, they stick right to there. And so this is about a 6 or 7 inch jaw. I can't remember what size that is, but as you can see, we've got a really good surface in there for folding some of the heavier plate. Like, I think this will probably do up to about a 1/4 inch, maybe 3/16, which would be good for doing little reinforcing plates. So yeah, for any of the smaller stuff that probably won't go into the bigger press there, because it is really only meant for like sheet steel, not for like heavier plate. So yeah, that little device there will be really good for that. So yeah, sorry, I was about to tell you that, and then the camera went all wiggy. So yeah, so what I'll probably do now is just sign off and hand you back over to Sir Douglas Douglason, and we'll get to the end of this video. So, oh, thank you. Yeah, yes, hello again. Yeah. So, yes, he got a little bit more done. He did this part here. Yes, turned out not too bad. So, yeah, so just one more thing to do before we get to the end of the video is give a shout out to a young fellow. I just stumbled across his channel, and yeah, there's another fellow Canadian from Ontario. So give him a look. I'll put a link to his channel right in the corner up here. So just click up there and go give it a watch. It's really good. Yeah. So yeah. So sorry about that, and hopefully next week we'll be back to normal programming. So till next week, tatty bye. And rabbit run. And Mama is fun. He'll get by with his rabbit pie to run.